7 days to start your day calm and focused. Day 4. Boost focus and mental clarity. Welcome to this morning meditation for focus, clarity, and calm energy. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to settle completely. Gently close your eyes and bring awareness to your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Feel your shoulders relax and your face soften gently. Allow your breathing to become calm, steady, and natural. With every inhale, invite fresh clarity into your mind. With every exhale, release mental fog and distraction. Imagine your thoughts becoming organized and peaceful. Your mind is capable of calm focus and clear thinking. Take another deep breath in and feel renewed energy entering your body. Exhale slowly and let go of stress from yesterday. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this present moment. There is no need to rush or overwhelm yourself. You can move through this day with calm awareness. Feel your attention becoming stronger and steadier. Notice the quiet space growing inside your mind. This space allows clarity and creativity to flow naturally. Imagine a soft, bright light filling your mind with focus. This light clears away confusion and distraction. Feel yourself becoming more alert, calm, and balanced. Take a slow breath in and strengthen your concentration. Exhale and release any remaining tension from your thoughts. You're building a calm and focused mindset for your day. Trust your ability to stay present and clear-minded. Breathe in confidence and breathe out self-doubt. Allow your inner calm to support your mental clarity. Feel your breathing guiding you deeper into stillness. You are capable of focusing on what truly matters today. Take another deep breath in and refresh your mind. Exhale slowly and let go of unnecessary pressure. Notice how calm focus feels within your body. Your thoughts are becoming lighter, clearer, and more peaceful. Allow yourself to enjoy this moment of mental stillness. Feel gratitude for this new day and fresh beginning. You are preparing yourself for a productive and balanced day. Take a final deep breath in, filling your body with energy. Exhale fully and carry this clarity into your morning. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one more slow, calming breath in through your nose. Exhale gently and feel fully awake and centered. When you are ready, gently open your eyes with a peaceful smile. Move through your day with focused calmness and confidence. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.